What's going on, guys? We got our 2003 Springer Heritage Classic Anniversary Edition right here, and this is our giveaway bike. We're going to be giving this bike away October 31st, Halloween day, to the new owner, and I wait. So if you guys have not entered yet, head on over to www.cyclefanatics.com. Get yourself entered to win, or you could just go down below in the video description, click on the link. It'll take you right there. Get yourself entered, and we are going to be announcing the new winner here in just several months. So if you guys have been watching already, this bike is absolutely gorgeous, and I noticed there is a couple things that I feel still need to be done. So I already gave the bike a fresh front and rear brake pad change. We just did the 3-hole oil change, so all the fluids and the filter is fresh and new, and the bike has about 7,600 miles on it. It runs absolutely perfect. If you guys want to know more about it, I don't want to go over all of the upgrades because there is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of upgrades on this bike already. New tires, I mean, all the chrome, Paccal pipes, tuner, everything, custom dynamics lights, 12-inch apes, chrome everywhere. But I noticed there's still a couple little things that I want to add. So let me show you. Let's go into the garage over here. Let me show you just a couple little touches that I got recently. I'm going to be getting a couple more things, but these are the little things that were kind of annoying me. So this is for the seat. This is the seat bolt right here, nice and chrome, because the one I have on the bike now is black, so I think that's going to look really nice. We got some nice Harley Davidson stem caps for the tires and wheels. And then we have some swing arm inlays, all right, which are going to go right here, because actually Cam, my son, has them on his Springer and they look so good. The bottom right there and then the top, we're going to do both sides, and then we're going to put on some tire valve stem caps on the front and the back, because the front one's black, this one's red. I don't know where I got that one from or how it got on there, but and then we're gonna change out this bolt right here because it's black. I don't really care for it. I want to really add as much chrome as possible in the future. I think we're gonna add some swing arm bolt caps right there that hold the swing arm on. And I don't know if you guys have any other ideas. I mean, there is so much chrome on here already. Even the whole swing arm, rear swing arms already chromed out. You see how beautiful. Look at all the covers. I mean, even the sprocket, the upper and lower belt guards, got the chrome toolbox on here. The coil pack covers chromed out already. I mean, let me know if there's anything else that I'm missing that I could actually add on to this bike to even add a little more chrome, but I'm not sure. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below. But first things first, we're going to take this thing off right there. So we're going to take that off, and I'm also going to take this cap off and this valve stem cap off, because I think even the caps just make, you know, it's the little touches, right? I think all in all, it's the sum of all of the modifications that you do to a bike. That's what makes it unique and really, really nice looking. Let me know if you guys agree. You could put, obviously, like one or two things on a bike, it'll change it. But once you start, you know, adding multiple things onto a bike, it just really, really takes shape really nicely. Just like a silly cap. Like, look how nice that looks now, right? It's the little touches, and believe it or not, that's what people see when you go to a bike night or a bike show. We might actually enter this bike. I might actually look for like a, I don't know, antique, because This is almost, what is an antique? 20 years old or 25? I thought it was 20. Somebody was telling me it was 25, but I'm not too sure about that. So let me know, because the bike is 22 years old, and if it's like 20 years old or whatever, the antiques, if I could find a show, I would love to put this bike into a show and hopefully and possibly win a trophy with it. And then for the new winner to actually be able to take this bike with the trophy home, that would be insane. Okay guys, I'm done with that. That came out really nice. You see what I mean? It's just the little touches that when somebody, you know, when you're at a bike show, when you're at bike night, bikes and breakfast, whatever, anywhere, people are going to start staring, and once they start looking, they're going to say, oh, look at that, and then it's going to lead into something else, and then it's going to lead into something else. And that's what's really cool about upgrading a bike. Even these little touches, that's what is going to make a big difference. I got to take those caps off, so I'm going to go get a pick. So that's why I'm saying I'm definitely going to do the swing arm covers. And another reason I'm doing this, I literally want the bike to be the best it can be for the new owner on October 31st. So we're gonna take these caps out, but I need two hands, so I got to put you guys down for a second. All right, so I got the plugs out. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this surface off a little bit because it might have a little bit of grease or something. So just a little bit of cleaner. I'll wipe it down. And I think even the chrome swing arm covers, it's just going to make a huge difference. You know what? I'll show you in a second here on Cam's bike how they look. Even on this side, it's just going to look a lot better. I might get little like black caps to put into there, you know, just nice little touches. Here, let me show you Cam's bike. Hopefully you could see the inlays. Look how nice they look. Oh, his bottom one actually fell off. Oh, I know why, because somebody did not pull that plug out. See that plastic plug that's right there? The ones that I just took out of my bike? Well, they didn't take it out. So obviously, how is it going to stick perfectly to the metal? It can't, because it's raised. This plastic button is raised. That's why you got to take them out. Oh, and they didn't take out this one either. You see how that swing arm inlay is rocking back and forth? That one might come out as well. So I got to tell them about that. But that's why you got to take those caps out. You can't be lazy. But that's what people do. They get lazy. And they do a shitty job. So now this is fairly easy to put on. Just like that. And look how nice that looks. Wow. Huge difference. Oh my God. That looks fantastic. I'm actually gonna probably stop at Bergen Harley tomorrow and see if they have, and this one goes there, and see if they have the chrome swing arm covers. Just got to take the 3M tape off. I got all of this on Amazon, everything you're seeing, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave the links also for you guys. But more importantly, I think you guys should get entered on this bike, because this bike is gorgeous. And like I said, if I was a collector, oh, that looks great. I mean, just those little touches, you know? If I was a collector, I'd be keeping this bike all day. And these inlays were fairly inexpensive. There were actually all of these parts, except for the valve stem caps, were from Amazon, and they're fairly inexpensive. It's gonna add some pressure, and that's it. I'm gonna get some, pick up some covers, or plugs, I should say. 1, 2 on this side. The swing arm caps, definitely. I gotta find the bolt for this on the bottom here. I might actually have one. I don't know why there's no bolt, or maybe I do. That might have been for, yeah, that might have been for the for the passenger footrest. So I got to put a bolt back in there, and we have we got 2 plugs on this side, and we have 1 plug on this side where the was the passenger footrest. If you guys are curious, I do have the passenger footrests. Whatever else that came off the bike, I do have. And I also have a brand new Saddleman seat with a backrest for this that is going to be included. And hopefully, like I said, if I take it to a bike show, if I win, the trophy will go with the bike. Obviously, it has to, right? And it'll go to you guys. So, yeah, that's it. I mean, I'll get those plugs. Other than that, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm trying to see, other than the swing arm covers, what else could I chrome out? I mean, this thing is pretty much blinged out. I know I could go, you know, brake reservoir and the housings and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I actually like a little bit of the black with the black grip. I already did the chrome switch housing with the chrome buttons, the chrome 12-inch apes. I got the chrome quad lock on there, which is going to stay on the bike. We got custom dynamics front and back LED lighting. So I don't know what else. We got chrome front axle covers there. I mean, I don't know if they do. Oh, you know what I could get? I could get a chrome engine bolt kit for the bolts. I think that would really touch up the engine. What do you guys think? So maybe I'll order that, and we'll get, you know, like the rocker cover boxes, the bolts. They sell the caps in chrome, which look really nice. I had them on several bikes. These already have them, you see, for the big bolts that hold down the head, the jug. That's there already. But like all these bolts, the primary bolts, you know what I mean? All of those bolts, I could get covers. I could get chrome covers for them. So don't even let me know. I'm definitely going to get them. But let me know if there's anything else on this bike that I could possibly do. I really don't think so. But that's what we'll do on the next video. Head on over to the website, get yourself entered. And we're just trying to make this bike really, really nice. I'll let you guys know if I find out about a bike show in the future, and if there is a bike show, I'm definitely going to enter this bike. We'll make a video about it and see if it wins, man, because I think giving away this bike with a trophy, with the first prize or even a third prize trophy, would be awesome to the new owner. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.